Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to this webinar session where I will walk you through our new MP series product, which redefines connector technology today. I am Naveen Jahagia, product manager at LEMO HQ for this product in Switzerland. I will spend about 30 minutes on this presentation, highlighting some of the key features, offerings, and applications for this product. I will also invite you to go through our website to have much more detailed info on this product. Quite a lot of support info is available. As content for this presentation, I will start with the product overview, some details on the modules and contacts, accessories and tools, market segments and application where the product is applicable, some info on the product launch support and support available for our customers. To start with, allow me to show you an introductory video to have an overall picture of the MP series. One connector, infinite possibilities. This innovative product is designed to target an evolving heterogeneous market segment where there are connectivity challenges for demanding application, for instance, in the medical, test and measurements, and industries, amongst others. We have one connector offering an infinite possibilities. Through a new modular concept, you can configure, design, and build your own custom connector. Standard modules with a mix of connectivity in a single connector is available. The flexible and interchangeable design that allows the customer to transition easily to different configurations for their future generations of their products without an interface design change. Where is this product located in our portfolio? You may already know the different portfolio of LEMO and the products therein. We have the originals, REDEL, Optima, Supreme, Specialties, and Cable. In fact, the MP will be part and parcel of the REDEL family. So it will be residing together with the P and the SP family. I will touch on just a few of the key innovations that the MP series will bring. So, in a nutshell, larger form factor, allowing for larger insert for higher contact density. We also have a new modular insert concept, providing a wide range of standard modules. For instance, on the standard modules, we have the low voltage, the high density, fiber optics, coax, and fluidic contacts, and all of that within the same connector. We also provide a brand new product configurator available online on our website, which will help the user to build his own custom connector by a step-by-step approach. A brand new modules, HD modules with a compact footprint and the possibility to add intelligence via an EEPROM. Some of the key features and benefits: customize and configure your own connector in a flexible and modular way. Contact mix in a single connector is possible through here you're using power, signal, data, fiber optics, and fluidic contacts, for instance. Expandable and future-proof connectivity solution. Improve cleanability, safety, thanks to inner push-pull mechanism. Extreme high density and space-saving design, allowing up to 144 contacts in a 1-inch connector diameter. Custom intelligence integration is possible, and also cable assembly solutions is available. Let me first introduce the connector modular system. Here we have an exploded view of a plug. So we have a plug housing, we have the insulator rack, set of modules that you can use, end contacts, split insert carriers, retaining ring, T-adapter kit, and collet kit. These are optionals. You have the back nut for bend relief, and you have a bend relief also, which is optional. Different options and variations are available. For instance, you have six housing models, 4 alignment keys, but 17 different modules. Just to give you a quick idea as well, I think you've seen it already. This video actually shows you that you have a double module present in an insulator. You have 2 single modules that has just been slotted in. So you can actually mix and match single and modular, single and double modules wherever you want to into all the different slots. And each of these modules, of course, can have different types of contacts. To design and configure your plug is quite simple. So basically what you want to do is you want a straight plug, for instance. You choose the connector housing with its color, keying, what you need. The relevant modules that you want in your plug. If you want a collet kit or a T-adapter, these are optional. Bend relief, optional as well. So a sum of all these subcomponents will give you your straight plug. Similarly, for your socket, you will have a connector housing and all the relevant and related modules and contacts. A snapshot of all the standard modules that are available. We have 5 main categories: low voltage, hybrid, HD modules, fiber optic modules, and we have blank modules. In each of these different categories of modules, you have single and double modules, different diameters, different number of contacts, as you can see. So basically, this is just a snapshot of the different standard modules that are available. Permutation and combination of these modules and inherent contacts, and allowing each of these modules in different slots in a connector provides thousands of possibilities. Let's look at the models available today for the MP series. The MP series will have a one size connector housing only, 24.4 millimeter diameter. Of course, you will have various mix of modules and contacts available inside of that housing. In terms of models, we have a straight plug, sockets, fixed cable sockets, free cable socket, and within each of these sockets, for instance, you have different variations. Fixed cable sockets, different variations as well. Some of the key features that I would like to highlight is a high modularity, which allows for a large choice of power, signal, data, fiber optics, and fluidic in one connector. 144 contacts available as a high contact density module. Internal push-pull locking mechanism, quick and easy clip-in and clip-out assembly. Custom intelligence integration is possible. Extensive sterilization cycles is possible. The product is ESD tested in support to IEC 60601 certification. We have an IP50 in mated conditions, and also we have color coding, which is available. There are 4 different alignment keys that are proposed, N, P, S, and T. And here you can see the different angles that are present in between each of these keys. So these are the 4 different alignment keys that are proposed. And in terms of connector housing, we have 2 colors, the gray and the black. We also have color coding between plug and socket for easy identification. As an example, I'm considering here a plug, and the color coding will happen between the back nut on the plug, which is here, the blue part. And if we look on the socket, it will be on the fixed flange nut. So basically, this is the part. These two are the 2 parts that will do the color coding. Different colors are available. You have gray, blue, black, and red. So it's up to the customer to choose which color and how many he requires for all of his variations or combinations of products. An overview of the technical characteristics for the connector. The highly modular aspect of the product brings additional complexity, considering the individual modules and the contacts. Here, the user is advised to consult the detailed technical characteristics of the modules and the contacts. For instance, if we consider the technical characteristics for the connector housing and insulator materials, more precisely, looking at the electrical performance, we see that where we have the current rating, the user is advised to look into the detailed characteristics of the modules and contacts. And here, current rating, if we come to the details info of the modules and contacts, you will see that the different rated currents are present. And this will depend, of course, on the diameter of the contact, if it's a single or double modules, etc. So all these infos are available. If we consider another case to consider is, for instance, the environmental performance. Here we are talking about the mean max operating temperature, and we have a minus 50 plus 170 degrees. Here again, we highlight the following. The maximum temperature is valid for connector housing with all the modules except for HD modules. Maximum temperature for connector with the HD module is 140 degrees. Some more details on the modules and the contacts. As I mentioned previously, the standard modules that we have are the low voltage, high density, hybrid fiber optics and blanks. Here, if we look at the low voltage, we have the possibility to have solder or crimp contacts. We have different numbers of contacts. It can be single or double modules. The high density module, of course, 36 contacts, and this is the high density module. The hybrid module, where we have different types of contacts. You can have a coax, F1 fiber optics, or fluidic contacts, and this is a double module. For the fiber optic modules, we have the F2 and the F7 contacts. And of course, we have a blank modules for slotting unused slots in the connector. Now, depending on the requirements and the types of contacts needed, the module selected will occupy either a single or a double slot in an insulator rack. The connectors can accommodate either four single modules, or it can have a mix of double or single modules as required by the customer. And this, I think you can see it a bit clearer in here. The HD modules can have 36 contacts per module and a maximum of 144 contacts per connector. I would just like to highlight here that the insulator has a series of alphabets, A, B, C, D. This is to allow the user to locate which module is located where. So this is just makes it easier for the user. Accessories and tooling that go with this family. Some of the optional parts and accessories, we have the collet kit and the adapter kit. Different diameters, of course, are available for the collet kit and the T-adapter kit. All of that depends on, you have different diameters. It will depend on what size of wire cable you want to use or you require for these connectors. For the bend relief, which is also which is an option, you have the non-sterilizable version, which is with the TPU material. And also you have the TPV, which is the sterilizable version. Here we can have up to about 20 steam sterilization cycle. And these are available in black and gray color. In terms of toolings, we have dedicated tooling, which is available for the connectors and the different types of contacts. Here, there's a selection and a partial selection of some of the tools, and each of them are dedicated. For instance, you have tooling for the connectors, you have tooling for the fluidic contact, for the low voltage contact, fiber optics, and tooling for the coax. Having gone through the product overview, an important consideration is what is the market situation with which segments and application should be targeted for this product. The three main segments where we see product integration is medical, test and measurements, and industry. And within these, for the medical, the applications that we see are in the electrophysiology, surgical robots, cardiac mapping, etc. Test and measurements, we have metrology, speed camera, ultrasonic and optical inspections as application. Industry, we have control, QC inspections, and automations. Inside of these market segments, if we consider the medical, we see that there's a high potential. There's a high potential with the HD modules for mapping, ablation, PFA catheters, and all the related equipment to these. Hybrid and mixed modules are also of high importance in the medical field. In the test and measurement and in industry, we have quite a bit of potential in the modular mix. Here we're talking about the fiber optics and the low voltage modules. The MP offerings applies in all these segments through the MP features, technical benefits, customer benefits that it can bring. Some stats to end this section. The global interventional radiology market size is about 24 billion. That's 2023 stats that I have. And in here, we have all the surgical robots that are present. For the global cardiovascular device market, the device market size is about 51.7 billion. And this is where we have all the EP catheters that resides. Now let's consider a system level application for the medical segment. We have system level catheter application with subsystems where the MP plug and socket can be present as HD or other modules. Let's start with the cardiac mapping catheter for diagnostics. You have an amplifier connected to an MP socket, LEMO MP plug, cable systems, LEMO MP HD plug. You have an MP HD socket and that connected to a diagnostic catheter handpiece. And for therapeutic usage, we have the ablation catheter. Here we have a generator, LEMO MP socket, LEMO MP plug, cable systems, and all of that connected to an ablation catheter handpiece. There's a series of supports available online and via our worldwide subsidiaries to help and support all customers for a seamless product integration. Let's start with an overview of the configurator. The configurator provides a step-by-step guide approach in the product selection till the request for a quotation is made. So we start by selecting the connector model. Here, plug or socket is selected, the gender, alignment keys, color code, collet kit, etc. Your insert configurations needs to be selected. So your module selection with all the associated contacts needs to be selected. Once this is done, you are automatically proposed a mating part. A BOM summary is generated. Tools and spare parts selections are proposed based on model and module selected. You have an order. The order recap of the products with pictures are available. Here's the pictures, and you have all the orders that you've done. You also have a unique configuration code that is made available for returning customers. So basically, if you use this unique code, you put it in here, you will have all the details of the selections you've made previously. Once all of that is done, you make a request for quotation. There's a series of digital product support available online on our website. You have the MP series, the standalone catalog, product brief, product announcement, ad display, and also a sample case with quite a number of the different models and contacts of the MP. And this is available at all of our subsidiaries worldwide. You also have a series of online video that present the MP series in a very explanatory and concise way. So we have promotional videos, explainer videos, and expert interview videos. And finally, there is also a vast amount of technical info, which is available online on our website. Here we are talking about a new generation of step files. You have customer drawings are available for all the models, connector and cable assembly instructions, data sheets are available via the product finder and via the drawing link. So this is basically what you actually see here. Thank you for your attention. If you have some questions that I can take now, or if you need more detailed info, do not hesitate to contact me at a later stage. Thank you very much for your attention.